good again. Wembanyama from short. Line now, Fox pulls up and banks it home as Wembanyama hits. Twin Cities. Shannon with the basket.
3 possessions to start the game, 3 turnovers. And
on the baseline, the floater is good. Castle gets free and hammers it down. Got past Conley on the baseline. Tough shot, he gets it to fall and a foul. They get free. Good screen by Gobert, and the 3 is down as Edwards. Bring it out, try a 3. Around and down. Put his head down, now drives on Randle, and the layup is good. Boy, how easy. Wemby spins past McDaniels, missed the first time, but not the second. And now he closes out on Reed, but he drains a 3. Randle hesitates, fires, and swishes it through. Fox picked up by Reed, sidestep 3, got it! Randle has it, and this time he scores. On the other end, hangs and slams. Minutes to get back. Dangerous time here for Minnesota as Wembanyama drills a deep 3. Gobert tracks right at 30%. Great take by Edwards. Nice move. Pulls up in the lane, swishes it through. Too strong, but the follow jam by Harper. Nobody down floor for Minnesota. Another easy 2 for the Spurs.
where one
Harper gets a 3. Challenged by Reed, but Cassell with the slam. Now Cassell has to put it up and hits the 3 as the shot buzzer sounds. Steal ahead to Shannon in the open floor, a rare fast break. In the third quarter, Conley will hoist and hit a 3. 7, Randle penetrates, draws the foul, and it drops. Guys have McDaniels stick back, Fox with the floater, it's good. And here, he's supposed to play 25, so he's on pace for more than that. Driving all the way to the basket, and count it, plus a foul. Another great take by Stephon Castle. Wembanyama waiting, gets right past him and lays it in. Champagne gets the bounce. He'll fire and hit it, a 3. Pulls up for 3, got it! Starting to sparkle here in the third. It's 7 threes here in the quarter. Reed for the takes time to adjust for most guys. It has not been an adjustment for him. Barnes for 3, hit it.
what they did is
Have an easy basket on the other end. Not a lot of the Minnesota key players. Let's play 24, Reed 21. Beranger puts it in. Get in and dunk. And now it's over. Final score, San Antonio.